paano natin yan ipa-factor? Para ma-factor natin, dalawang steps lang ang tatandaan. Steps, dalawa. Unang steps, get the square root of the first term and last term. Ibig sabihin, itong perfect square trinomial na x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, alin dyan ang first term? Alin dyan ang second term or last term rather? Sige nga, sagot tayo. Ano kayang first term dyan? Dun sa color yellow na text na given, perfect square trinomial. So, ano yung first term? Ano yung last term or yung tinatawag nating third term? Ayan. So, ang first term natin dito ay x squared. Yung last term natin dito ay y squared. Ano ang tawag sa 2xy? Tama. Second term or yung tinatawag nating middle term. So, wag nating kalilimutan yan. No? So, kapag in-square root natin ang first term, that is x squared, ano kaya ang magiging sagot? Square root of x squared is, tama, x. No? Kapag in-square root natin ang y squared, ano ang magiging sagot? Correct. That is y. No? So, tapos na tayo sa ating first step kasi nakuha na natin yung square root ng first term at last term. No? Dadako na tayo sa pangalawang steps. Express the result as the product of square of binomials. So, babalik tayo dun sa pinanggalingan niya. No? So, since ang operation natin dito ay both positive, parehas po silang positive. Parehas ang operation ay addition. So kung nakikita ninyo, x plus y times x plus y. That is also equal to x plus y raised to 2. The quantity of x plus y raised to 2. Just take note that this color white is also equal to this color white na nasa taas. No? Color white, the quantity of x plus y raised to 2. So, ibabalik lang natin siya sa product ng square of binomial. Ganyan lang nangyayari. So, tandaan lang natin yung number 1 at number 2. So, ito ang tanong. Paano natin malalaman kung ang given trinomial ay isang perfect square trinomial? So, first, dapat ang unang term at ikatlong term ay parehas perfect squares. Ibig sabihin, kapag in-square root mo, perfect square ang nakukuha mo. No? Alam na natin yung perfect square na yan. So number 2, dapat ang ikalawang term o middle term ay twice ng product ng square root ng first term at third term. Anong ibig sabihin nito? So kung babalikan natin ito, kapag pinagsama mo si xy at xy, ang sagot ay 2xy. So yun po yung explanation doon. So punta na tayo sa ating example. Now, ang tanong, handa ka na ba? Sige nga, pakitype oo kung handa ka na. Sige, i-type natin oo. Handa na ako. Handa ka na ba? Ayan. So, thank you, thank you. Opo, sir, sabi ni Kate. Thank you. So, tingnan natin. Yan. So, example number 1 tayo. Factor a squared minus 10a plus 25. So, balikan natin ang steps. Diba, dalawa lang yung step doon. Unang-una, get the square root of the first term and last term. So, ano yung first term natin sa given? Sige nga, pakitype. Anong first term natin sa given? Tama. So, ang first term natin ay a squared. Ano yung last term? Tama, 25. So kapag in-square root natin ng a squared, anong sagot? Correct, A. How about square root of 25? Correct, that is 5. So, kapag nagawa na natin yon, pwede na tayong tumungo sa second part, which is we need to express the result as the product of square of binomials. Ibig sabihin, i-combine lang natin silang dalawa, no? Since, just take note, the middle term is negative, a squared minus 10a plus 25, ang magiging sagot, ang separation nila ng dalawang terms ay minus o subtraction. A minus 5, A minus 5. That is also equal to the quantity of A minus 5 raised to 2. Yan po ang ating sagot. No? It's either of the two. Kapag sinulat nyo, A minus 5, A minus 5, okay lang yan. Or the quantity of A minus 5 raised to 2. No? Ayan. That is called the factored form. Just take note, meron tayong paalala rito. Dapat ang ikalawang term or middle term ay twice ng product ng square root of the first term at third term. So, ibig sabihin, itong A5, A times 5, that is, pag minultiply is 5A. I-times natin sa 2, dapat ang sagot niya yung nasa middle term, which is 10A. No? Correct tayo dyan. Tungo tayo sa example number 2. So, try this one. M squared plus 6M plus 9. So, ulitin natin, no? Hanapin natin ang square root ng first term and last term. Our first term here is M squared. Last term is 9, no? So, square root of M squared is M. Square root of 9 is 3. Then, we need to express the result as the product of a square of binomials. So, tingnan natin yung middle term. Anong operation niya? Tama, addition. So, since addition yan, kapag sinulat natin ay m plus 3 times m plus 3. So, or, the quantity of m plus 3 raised to 2. Tama ang sagot ni Kate. So, dako na tayo sa example number 3. Ulitin ko, itong dalawa na to, tawag dyan, factored form. No? Yan. So, paalala, dapat ang ikalawang term ay twice ng product ng square root ng first term at third term. So, para malaman yon, yung m, multiply natin kay 3, sagot ay 3m. Multiply natin yun sa 2, kasi dalawang beses na ulit, that is 6m. Yung 3m times 2, that is 6m. So, punta na tayo sa example number 3. Factor. 4x squared plus 20xy plus 25y squared. So, very challenging. Bakit? Dahil may dalawa ng variables, no? So, literal coefficient. Huwag kayong maguluhan dyan, no? Basta sundin nyo lang yung steps, no? Unang steps, term is 4x squared. How about the last term? Ano ang last term natin dyan? Tama, 25y squared. Now, kukuhanin natin ang square root ng first term, which is 4x squared. Ano ang square root ng 4x squared? Correct, that is 2x. How about 25y squared? Square root ng 25y squared. Correct, that is 5y. Now, after natin yung makuha, we need to express the result as the product of square of binomials. But, take note, no? Para malaman natin yung operation, tingnan nyo ang middle term. Ano ang operation ng middle term? Correct. positive or operation niya is addition. Kaya, parehas silang positive. 2x plus 5y, 2x plus 5y. O, isulat mo kaya ng ganito, the quantity of 2x plus 5y raised to 2. So, yan po ang tinatawag ulit na factored form. Paalala, dapat ang ikalawang term o middle term ay twice ng product ng square root ng first term at third term. So, multiply ulit natin, 2x times 5y, that is 10xy. Yung 10xy, multiply natin sa 2, kaya naging 20xy. So, ibig sabihin, correct tayo. No? Ayan, nakuha ni Jillian. So, now, tunga na tayo sa example number 4. This is the last example. 16b squared minus 24bc plus 9c squared. So, ulitin ko, huwag kayong matakot kapag nadagdagan ng variables. So, ano lang ang gagawin natin dito? Ifa-follow lang natin yung steps, which is we need to get the square root of the first term and last term. No? Ano ulit ang ating first term dito sa given? Tama, 16b squared. How about the last term? Correct, 9c squared. So, pag alam na natin ang first term at last term, anong gagawin? I-square root natin. So, square root of 16b squared is 4b. Square root of 9c squared is 3c. So, after nating makuha ang square root, we just express the result as the product of square of binomial. So, paano natin malalaman ng operation? Tingin kayo sa middle term. Ang middle term natin dito is negative 24bc. So, since negative siya, ang operation natin ay subtraction. So, 4b minus 3c times 4b minus 3c. Or, the quantity of 4b minus 3c raised to 2. So, ito po yung tinatawag na factored form. Ulitin ko, dapat ang ikalawang term o middle term ay twice ng product ng square root ng first term at third term. So, itong 4b, square root na siya, nakaano na siya, 3c, multiply mo yan, 4b times 3c, that is 12bc. Multiply mo sa 2, that is 24bc. No? Wow, ang daming nakakuha, no? Congratulations kina Shaira, kay Kate at Jillian. Nakuha nila yung tamang sagot.